Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle in this the addition of the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday. It's actually today, Sunday, August the 31st, September the 1st, 2024. I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. This one will be number. Let me zoom this. 9191. Double 91. Yeah, double 91. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 14 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. But it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see also dual boxes here, and there. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also, here also the 1 and the 2. Here also the 1 and the 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. No triple boxes in this puzzle. How about quadra boxes? No quadra boxes here. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or construction that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box, same number as that box. Here we have another one, but upside down or rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Do we have more? Let me check. No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? We have a T shape rotated. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Can we have 1? We have 1 here, so it should be 2 here. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this dual box for number 1. Okay. More T shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about the Z or the S construction? If you rotate this, you will see the S, but it's the same construction, same shape. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 5 here. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. In this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Yeah, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. It's also connected with that box, so also a 1. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright, I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, let me mark those. Then, let me see. Come on. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1. Can be 2. Should be a 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left now in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Then I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Then this box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be down. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be down. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 4 should be there, because if I place the 4 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4, but we already have a 4 here in this area. So here is not the solution, place the 4 there, the only place left the 4 should be here then. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be a 1, we have a double 1 there, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah, I need to think here, Think hard. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, we have a double 1 there, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. And then, well, we need a 1 in one of these 3 boxes. I cannot place the 1 there, so not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. This box cannot be a 1. We have a 1. We need a 1 here. Can be a 2. We need a 2 there. Can it be? Could be a 3. Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? So 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 5 cannot be here. Can be a 4. So 1 digit left should be a 3 then. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2. That box can be 2 because we have a double 2 here. So the only place left 2 in this area is supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes surrounded 2 can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with that box, should be so 2 and 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 or a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box should be a 2. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Okay. I think this box should be a 3 because give me 1, give me 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. Yeah, should be a 5. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have, no, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And now, well. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2. This S construction should be there. 2 numbers left in this S construction. For numbers 1 and the 3, 1 and 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 4 goes there. Then let me see. Well. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. And this box can be a 1. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Those 2 boxes can be 3. We have a 3 over here. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Well, need to wait. Here also 2 numbers left. 3 and 5. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 4 goes there. Then this box can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 4 and 5, we have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 14 minutes. Well, we solved it again. 4 stars. No. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in the evening with the last puzzle for the weekend. Samurai Sudoku. This will take me more than an hour to solve. The goal is to solve this within an hour. Alright, thank you for watching. Until then, bye bye for now.